Hi guys, if you're trying to buy a car, you might not be able to because 15,000 car dealerships have just been hacked by some of the best hackers in the country. Guys, they are literally holding these hackers by ransom. I've seen Twitter posts basically saying that I just went into a car dealership and they turned me around because they was hacked. Guys, today's video, I'm going to explain step by step why I think this may happen, what this has to do with the war, and how this can affect the entire nation's economy. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair spends into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about this cyber attack that's hitting the nation. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. It allows us to leave the lights on, guys. Please like, subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because I've been talking about cyber attacks on this channel for almost a year now. China has been threatening us with cyber attacks. Russia has been threatening us with cyber attacks. And Russia, ironically, is near our border. They first was in Cuba. Now they are nearing our borders of Miami. And then we get hit with one of the largest cyber attacks in U.S. history, guys. So what's going on is that a cyber attack hit the nation's largest software company that tailored to car sales, right? So it has affected over 15,000 car dealerships to the point that they have literally canceled in all of their systems where they can't even sell any cars. Now, this is going to have a ripple effect if they do not get ahead on it really fast, because not only did it affect 15,000 car dealerships, it affects thousands of employees that are with these car dealerships, and the economy is already on one of its last legs, especially U.S. economy with Russia and all them countries and Saudi Arabia getting rid of the petrodollar. The dollar is on its last leg, and we cannot afford any type of issues that is going to disrupt nation's economy like something like this. So a article just got released, and it says as cyber attacks incidents threatens 15,000 auto dealerships in the United States and Canada, most have shut down their computer systems as a precaution. The software is used for things like deal negotiations and service records. With summer being such a busy season for car sales, dealers are concerned over losing business. Some dealerships have gone to old-fashioned way of doing business with pen and paper. While not ideal, dealers say that handwritten buyer's orders will keep them from missing out on sales. The data provider CDK Global is investigating as Wednesday afternoon some of the CDK's various systems were backed up and running. Now, I don't see any type of information pertaining to the criminals that's doing this. Like, I haven't seen any public information on that as of yet, but from my sources, I've been told that they are holding this system at ransom. So I don't think that, and if that is true, I don't think that it is going to be a easy go around on just fixing the system, right? If this is a detailed targeted attack, then they have already shut the doors for it obviously to be fixed unless they get a hacker better than the ones that hacked them, right? So if that is the case and they will not be able to help or process sales, this can cause a very deep ripple effect in the global country economy, because it's going to affect thousands and thousands of transactions that's needed on a day-to-day basis for the flow of currency, right? And I'm not seeing any type of information pertaining to to this account. Now, I did see another article. Let me go back. Let me see. I did see another article talking about something similar to this, right? And that was US Today, right? CDK Global shuts down car dealership software after cyber attack. A cyber attack on software provider CDK Global upended operations at car dealership across the US on Wednesday. We talked about that. Now, why are car dealerships being targeted by cyber attacks? Now, I'm gonna leave this up for your guys' discretion. I don't know how many people on the channel actually believe in conspiracies. Now, I don't see how you can live in a country like this and see exactly what goes on a year-to-year basis and not have some type of conspiracy theory-ness in you. I'm gonna leave that up for you guys. Leave it in the comment section if you think that this have anything to do with Russia. Do you think that these attackers are foreign? Do you think that it's some kids that's playing that are really gifted at hacking and just, you know, come up with a ploy to actually hold our car dealership economy hostage? Why car dealerships targeted by cyber attacks? The incident follows a cyber attack against Finley Auto Group last week. The auto group, which operates in 5 states, said the attack restricts its ability to conduct sales and service, according to reporting from the Las Vegas Review Journal. A 2023 report that CDK notes that cyber criminals are a growing threat to target car dealerships, with 17% of a 175 surveyed dealerships experiencing a cyber attack or incident within the past year, up from 15% the prior year. Of those dealers, 46% say that cyber attacks has a negative financial or operational impact. So guys, like I said, leave it in the comment section because I'm really interested on knowing you guys as a consumer. Do you believe that this is something that was targeted from foreign threats on a global level, or do you think this is like I said, some kids in the basement with a computer trying to hold it up? But at the end of the day, like I said, they're not telling us who is the people that's doing it or the threat that's at large. They're not talking about who is the potential people that's behind it all. They just basically saying it's a cyber attack nonetheless, and it's affecting a large amount of dealerships. It also says dealerships has been attracting targets because of the vast amount of sensitive customer data they hold. Yeah, right. From credit applicants to customer financial information, dealerships hold a treasure of information to hackers, according to the 2023 article from insurance company Zurich North America. In addition, dealership systems are often interconnected to external interfaces and portals, such as external service providers, the reports reads. And many dealerships lack basic cyber security protections. Guys, let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Have you walked into a dealership within the last couple of days and experienced anything that can turn you away? This is surface level media, and from my past experiences, the surface level, what they give you is only a fraction of what's going on. But nonetheless, guys, leave it in the comment section because I'm very interested on how you guys feel about this whole ordeal. Do you, like I said, do you think that this is something dealing with the war, or do you think that this is something dealing with just normal hackers? Guys, let me know in the comment section, and I'll leave it up for you guys' discretion. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out. Peace.